Evie Kids TV.
Okay, ready, and open! What is it?
I cannot open it.
Oh! Is that a unicorn bag? Can you show the bag?
Another, this one. Look,
That's for your bag.
Nose polish.
Wow, can you show us the nail polish and lipstick?
And there's something else in here. Whoa! Look, a new card.
Oh, show here, show me.
Big! And a new card.
Whoa!
What's that for? Whoa, look! Mommy, look!
Wow! I love it!
Let's open it.
Let's open all of it, and then we'll take a nice close-up.
Look, Mom, look! A new card on this side.
Oh, wow!
Two of this. And look!
Whoa!
And another one.
Nice!
And brushes.
Wow! There's so many!
That's it. A bag.
Bag. Cheese! Do you like your unicorn makeup?
Let's
Alright,
do it.
let's do it!
Okay, first let's do this. I'm gonna do my makeup. Hey, let's do it together.
Do it
You want makeup also? Okay. Dip, dip, dip.
Dip, dip, dip.
What's this for? Okay.
See? You want mommy to try on you?
Mm-mm.
You got it?
Okay. Other side.
Other side. Wow!
Look.
Pretty!
Dad, look! Dad, don't. I cannot
but-
see you.
Oh, there you go. Want me to clean it up?
No,
Oh, add a little more blue.
it's your turn.
Add a little more blue. Close. There, perfect. Okay, add more blue on the other side.
And it's your turn.
Perfect. Okay,
Close
mommy's
your
turn.
eyes.
Can I have more blue,
And this.
please?
Done.
Okay. Wow, very pretty. Okay, I'm ready.
Down. Down. It's so pretty.
Oh, thank you. Aww.
Done.
2.